welcome to my video channel. As you can see, it's my birthday today. It's May 7 and the clock is 3 a.m. So that's why I'm actually making a video because it's actually kind of bored because my Roblox has been broken and I cut full storage. That's why it not doesn't let me play because it's always been starting me, not letting me like slide it over. Like, can you fix it? I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. It caused damage to my phone. It's very laggy, so my cake is already here, but I ate it with my family. But I'm gonna leave some for my brother and sisters tomorrow because they are coming home. So I'll show you the cake. Ah, yeah. I've been waiting for this moment to give someone a happy birthday to me. If you like that, just subscribe. Yeah, here's my cake. You cannot see it because it's so cold right now. I don't want to run on to peace. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.